Hello, friends. I am Kiran Joshi. Once again, I am here to express my ideas and knowledge on the topic function of managerial leader or the function of leadership. So, watch the full video. I am going to discuss on major 10 points for which I will provide you a formula for easy memory of memorizing these 10 points. So, without spending the time, let's enter in our topic. I had already explained the meaning and definition of the leadership and the leader in my previous video, so I am directly going on the topic function of managerial leader. Yes, managerial leader is such a leader of the organization who performs the following 10 functions. At first, being a leader, a manager should has to determine the goals of the organization. The organizational goals are the end point towards which all the business activities are oriented. The leader should determine both the financial goal as well as non-financial goal. What type of goal must be determined? It should depend upon the nature and size of the organization. And the determined organizational goal must be SMART. SMART means that goal must be specific and must be measurable, should be actionable, and must be rewardable. And it should be specified for a period of time and should be achieved within that period. So it should be time bound also. Another function the managerial leader has to perform is motivating the organizational employees. Motivation means encouraging and inspiring the organizational employees to achieve the individual as well as both the organizational objective in the better way. So, motivation enhance the productivity of the organization that leads the profit and impact in the increase in goodwill in long run for the organization. A leader may motivate the organizational employee either by providing the financial incentives or by providing non-financial incentives. Financial incentives like as providing the different kinds of bonuses like as festival bonuses, yes, and providing different type of sales commission, managerial commission, and different other increasing the wages and salaries and leave and pay like that, and in, non-financial incentives like as promotion, transfer to their hometown, yes, delegation of authority, and involving the subordinates in the decision making process like that. So motivation plays the vital role in the organizations, and motivating the employees is the vital role for the managerial leader. Now into the third function, directing. A manager as a leader should involve in implementing the organizational plans. After designing the organizational structure, a manager firstly should has to delegate the authority to discharge the responsibility. Yes, then should has to allocate the work as per their skill and abilities. Then, if any problem arises for the employees, he should provide the clear instructions. All these things he should do for implementing the organizational plan. So the leader should has to direct their followers or employees to achieve the organizational objectives. Hence, directing is one of the major function of the managerial leader. Now the another function is to enhance the controlling and supervision. At first, what is controlling? When the organization set out any standards, then after evaluating the actual performance, if the actual evaluated actual performance is not accordance with the planned performance or set it out standards, then the leader should has to take the corrective actions. Yes. So controlling is the major functions which should be done by the leader. Controlling is the process of evaluating the actual performance and the planned performance, and if there is deviation, the leader should has to take the corrective actions. Yes. Similarly, the leader should has to supervise the performance of the subordinates for the better productivity and for the effective utilization of the resources, organizational resources. Yes, it enhances in the specialization that leads to the profit for the organization. It reduces the wastage of the resources. Hence, to enhance controlling and supervision is one of the major function of the managerial leader. Another functions the leader as a manager has to perform is communication. Yes, communication is the basic fundamental tool for the organization that helps in follow of the information from the top level to the bottom level or inside the organization or outside the organization. A leader should has to communicate with the subordinates in the information related to different instructions, guidelines, plans, rules, regulation. Yes, rules and regulation. Like yes, he should also has to listen to the problems from the subordinate level and the work performance done related information from the subordinates level. Besides the follow of information in an organization, also the leader should has to listen the feedback and complaints from the external environment. As the organization exists in an environment, so it also has to listen the feedback and suggestions from the external environment. Hence, communication should be two-way and there should be the effective communication in an organization. And to make the effective communication and to make the real mutual relationship in an organization, communication plays the vital role, and effective communication is being maintained only by the effective leader. Another function of the managerial leader is to enhance the coordination in an organization. A leader should has to play the role of coordinator, as the organization has the different departments, like as may have the purchase department, sales department, marketing department. Yes, like as so, as the organization has the several department and each department has the particular function, however they are interdependent among each other, so it is necessary to maintain the coordination among all the department. That is the main role should be played by the leader. Also, among the organizational employees, there should be the equity treatment. Yes, also the coordination should be shown among the employees, not only among the departments. Favoritism and nepotism should be avoided. The ruling policy should be avoided. There must be the equal treatment for the each employee and for the each department. Hence, coordination must be maintained among the departments and employees to achieve the attained goals. Now into the next function, represent the organization. Yes, obviously as the head of the organization, the leader should has to represent the organization. Yes, organizationलाई चिनाउने काम कसले गर्छ? Organizationको हेडले, obviously त्यो organizationको leader नै हो. So how the leader can represent the organization? By attending the different parties, seminar, conferences and other programs in which the organization has been invited. Yes, also the leader should has to involve in different contracts and agreements. So by these activities, the leader can represent the organization. So representing the organizations to the internal organizational member as well as to the external parties of the organization is another major function of the managerial leader. Another major function of the managerial leader is to integrate the objective or combining the both employees objective as well as organizational objective. Yes, as we know, the organizational employees will work hard if they knew that their individual objective is being going to be fulfilled. Yes, so but however the individual objective must be fulfilled after the organizational objective must has been fulfilled. So the leader should not neglect the individual objective. The individual objective also must be fulfilled, but they should be fulfilled after fulfilling the organizational objective. Hence, priority must be given to the organizational objective. However, the individual objective also must be fulfilled, because without fulfilling the individual objectives, employees will feel that our objective is not being fulfilled. Then why should we struggle hard? Then why should we work for the organization if it is not caring for us? So the manager as a leader should has to combine both individual as well as organizational objective. Another major function is organizing the activities and the organizational resources. Yes, different activities are being performed in an organization, like as production activities, selling activities, marketing activities, distribution activities, and so on. So the manager as a function of leader should has to manage this type of activities. Yes, all the activities are interdependent and independent to each other, so all the activities must be organized properly. Also the organizational resources, like as physical resources, financial resources, human resources, yes, information resources, also must be fulfilled, because organizing is one of the major management function, and without the organizing, the manager or the organizational employees cannot achieve the attained goals. So, manager itself along with the employees should be involved in organizing the organizational activities as well as organizational resources. The last and the most important managerial function of the managerial leader is enhance teamwork. It is the responsibility of the leader to encourage all the subordinates to work as a team. For this, he has to maintain the equity in the organization by coordination among the various departments also. Yes, the manager should has to know the synergistic effect. The result by summing of the individual output will always less than the result obtained by working in a team by the same individual. So the manager should has to encourage the teamwork. Okay friends, hope you enjoy the video. At the beginning, I had told you that I will provide you a formula for memorizing these 10 points easily. That formula is Modi degree. Modi is the Prime Minister of India. He is a leader. Yes, obviously he is a leader. And degree means order. The order given by a leader. Yes, it is a leader we have here. So it will help you to memorize these 10 points. Okay guys, hope you enjoy the video and show your love by hitting the like button and subscribe our channel for the further videos. Okay, thanks for watching and meet you again in the next video.